Hi judges, Melissa here from Vibrant Aesthetics located in Mount Sinai, New York. We are here for week 4
for the open medical category.
This week we'll be doing a nano infusion. We're going to be infusing KRX's Bright and White Serum. I love this serum. It's really great at breaking up pigmentation, brightening the overall complexion, and really evening out the skin tone. So we're going to get right into it. We're excited to show you this treatment.
We started with a double cleanse to give her skin a nice clean canvas before her treatment. Since she's 10 days post her injectables, we will not be performing an additional exfoliation prior to her infusion since the nano provides a mild exfoliation itself. We are doing a nano infusion to target fine lines, wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and pigmentation. This treatment plumps, smooths, and firms the skin while deeply hydrating and rejuvenating her complexion. We are infusing a serum that contains glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from free radical damage and oxidative stress, two main contributors to premature aging. The nano infusion will create nanochannels that allow these actives to penetrate deeper. Then I applied a factor 5 biocellulose mask and performed an ice cold massage over the mask to calm, tighten, and enhance product absorption. Finally, she sat under the oxygen dome with red LED for approximately 20 minutes. And here's her final result, a glowing, brighter, smoother complexion.
And we'll see you guys next week.